Bitcoin Cash BCH is a decentralized computerized money and a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain, meaning to build the versatility and convenience of the first Bitcoin organization, taking into consideration quicker and cheaper exchanges. On the off chance that you're searching for Bitcoin Cash cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Bitcoin Cash BCH will go from here on out, we will break down the past costs of Bitcoin Cash BCH and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitcoin Cash is $449.36 and BCH is as of now positioned #15 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Bitcoin Cash is 19,703,381 with a market cap of $8,853,974 to 778. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.63% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the BCH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.13%. Bitcoin Cash has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast Mini Computer. Our BCH Forecast Mini Computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine a huge range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a far-reaching expectation of Bitcoin Cash. Basically input your ideal time span and see the possible anticipated worth of Bitcoin Cash. Our number cruncher will produce an extensive rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We foresee future Bitcoin Cash cost expectations estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Bitcoin Cash. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the BCH coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Bitcoin Cash market cap, Bitcoin Cash volume, and barely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation Outline. The typical extended cost for Bitcoin Cash in 2025 is supposed to be $820.48, with possible difference somewhere in the range of $797.23 and $985.55. Long-haul investigation proposes that Bitcoin Cash cost might actually flood to $282,820 by 2050. Bitcoin Cash BCH is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $6,258 continuously 2030. With the ongoing cost of $449.36, Bitcoin Cash holds its ground on the lookout. Bitcoin Cash BCH is poised to arrive at a typical cost of $121,687 toward the finish of 2040. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $558.65 in 2024. The Bitcoin Cash cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $658.80 with the typical cost of $581.39 all through 2024. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at least worth of $797.23 in 2025. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $985.55 with a typical exchanging cost of $820.48 all through 2025. BCH value figure for 2026. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1,151. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1,399 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,192. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2027 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1,673. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can arrive at a limit of $1,955 with the typical exchanging worth of $1,732 in USD. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2028. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2,472 in 2028. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,942 with the typical exchanging cost of $2,541 all through 2028. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2029. Bitcoin Cash cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $3,520 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $4,305 with the typical figure cost of $3,621. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2030. Bitcoin Cash cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $5,236 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $6,258 with the typical gauge cost of $5,417. Bitcoin Cash Value Figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2031 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $7,654. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $9,365 with the typical exchanging cost of $7,870. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2032. According to the figure in specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $11,010. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $13,223 with the typical worth of $11,325. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2033. The cost of one Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at least degree of $17 to $157 in 2033. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $19,851 with the typical cost of $17,610 all through 2033. Bitcoin Cash Value Gauge 2040. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $1,554. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $171,700 with the typical worth of $121,687. BCH Value Estimate for 2050. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key systems for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our BCH cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $282,820, while the base value worth of a Bitcoin Cash can be around $219 to $600 with the coin exchanging